Small talk is not easy in English.
But after this video, you will master it completely.
20 phrases, every situation, starting now.
Stay until the end. Phrase 19 is the one that starts any conversation instantly.
Sentence 1. How has your week been so far?
How has your week been so far?
Sentence 2. What have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately?
Sentence 3. Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Sentence 4. How are things going for you?
How are things going for you?
Sentence 5. It has been a while. How have you been?
It has been a while. How have you been?
Level 1 done. Level 2 keeps the conversation going. Sentence 6. That sounds really interesting.
That sounds really interesting.
Sentence 7. I know exactly what you mean.
I know exactly what you mean.
Sentence 8. How long have you been doing that?
How long have you been doing that?
This time, say it before Olivia. Ready? Sentence 9. That is actually really funny.
That is actually really funny.
Sentence 10. Tell me more about that.
Tell me more about that.
Level 2 complete. Level 3 makes you sound fluent.
And phrase 19 is still coming. Stay with us.
Sentence 11. I never thought about it that way.
I never thought about it that way.
Sentence 12. What do you think about that?
What do you think about that?
Sentence 13. That is such a good point.
That is such a good point.
Sentence 14. I completely agree with you.
I completely agree with you.
Sentence 15. That happened to me once.
That happened to me once.
3 levels done. 5 sentences left.
These are the phrases that make small talk effortless.
Sentence 16. You seem really easy to talk to.
You seem really easy to talk to.
Sentence 17. We should catch up more often.
We should catch up more often.
Sentence 18. I'm really glad we ran into each other.
I'm really glad we ran into each other.
Sentence 19. By the way, I wanted to ask you something.
By the way, I wanted to ask you something.
That is phrase 19. Use it to start any conversation instantly. Sentence 20. It was really great talking to you.
It was really great talking to you.
Expert level complete.
You have now mastered small talk in English.
Now let us test you. Speed challenge. Say it before Olivia. Ready? 1.
How has your week been so far?
2.
What have you been up to lately?
3.
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
4.
How are things going for you?
5.
It has been a while. How have you been?
6.
That sounds really interesting.
7.
I know exactly what you mean.
8.
How long have you been doing that?
9.
That is actually really funny.
10.
Tell me more about that.
11.
I never thought about it that way.
12.
What do you think about that?
13.
That is such a good point.
14.
I completely agree with you.
15.
That happened to me once.
16.
You seem really easy to talk to.
17.
We should catch up more often.
18.
I'm really glad we ran into each other.
19.
By the way, I wanted to ask you something.
20.
It was really great talking to you.
One bonus phrase. Use this when you want to keep talking.
That reminds me of something. Can I tell you?
That reminds me of something. Can I tell you? It keeps any conversation alive instantly. Comment Master if you finished all 4 levels.
You have now completed the English Confidence series.
Watch video 1 on your screen to start again.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.